Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I am so happy to be back here on YouTube with you all. 2019 was a doozy. My father had heart failure at the beginning of the year and required 2 heart surgeries. Luckily, everything came out great and the doctors and nurses did an amazing job helping my father, and he is recovering nicely. Then we had a series of real estate transactions that we needed to do for my parents and for us. And there were 3 in total. And there were lots of bumps, as you can imagine, along the way, but they all came out fine. And we are doing great with that aspect of life. Then in the early fall, my brother had a cancer scare. He needed surgery as well and had something removed. Luckily, it turned out not to be cancer, and of course, we're so grateful for that. Some of you may remember that my husband donated a kidney to my brother about 4 years ago now, and he did amazingly well, but because of that, he has to be on immunosuppressants. So something like cancer, while it can be devastating for anyone, is especially dangerous for my brother. So we were so grateful that that ended up not being cancer. Then in the late autumn, my mom had a fall in her home and broke her spine. She needed spinal fusion surgery, and luckily we found a fantastic neurosurgeon who did an amazing job with her. And she was in the hospital for about a week and then in a rehab facility for about a month and a half. During that time, and I guess from the very beginning of the year with all of these events, my sister and I basically split the day, 24 hours, and did everything we possibly could to help my parents, especially through this very difficult, trying year. We are incredibly grateful for how everything came out. My mom is doing better, my dad is doing better, my brother is fantastic, and the real estate all came out great. So 2019 was very, very turbulent, but net, everything came out great. And I am so incredibly thankful that I was able to spend the time with my family to get through these difficult moments. Now for 2020, I am so excited to be back and back in my craft room. Knock wood. Hopefully I'll be able to get some crafting done here. And my hope and plan is to share with you guys new crafting projects, some health tips. I've now been doing keto for about 1.25 years, and my health is so much better. My migraines are gone, and I attribute most of that to keto. Occasionally I'll have a migraine when things get really crazy stressful, but even those are much more manageable with medication and with extra rest. So like I said, there's so much to be thankful for, and I want to share my gratitude with you all, not only for just putting it out there in the cosmos that I am so thankful for everything, but also to thank you all for sticking with me and being patient as I took this much needed time to be with my family. So this year, my plan is to share at least one crafty project with you a week and probably try to do a giveaway once a month. So stay tuned. Again, thank you. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season and that 2020 is filled with many blessings, good health, and happiness for you all. Thanks so much for sticking with me. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.